Well, like it or not, it is sneezing season. But why are sneezes so different? And can you do anything to change your sneeze?
So I checked in with an ear, nose, and throat doctor. And this might be a really good indicator to answer that question. Her parting words to me were, let it fly.
You feel it coming on, and there's nothing you can do to stop it. And you don't have to be on two legs to experience it. So why do we sneeze?
It's a protective reflex that our body has when there's an irritant, something in the air, or there's inflammation in the mucous membrane lining our nose. So we basically sneeze to protect ourselves.
And AHN's Dr. Deborah Eaton says you don't want to suppress the reflex.
You want to have both sides of your nostrils open and keep your mouth open.
Dr. Eaton says the last thing you want to do is hold your nose.
All of that increased pressure is not good for any of the little blood vessels in your head, and can lead to problems that can even cause problems with your ears or make you dizzy. I would not recommend trying to hold in a sneeze.
Know that the volume and the sound of your eruption
just has to do with the acoustics of how that reflex and all that air flowing reverberates in our head.
past our vocal cords, and you know how different our voices are. So is there a way to control it or to soften it?
You can sort of modify that a little bit by how forcefully you're pushing. And I think you kind of want to actually keep your mouth open a little bit, but you're going to need to be in an area where you can cover your mouth and not be exposing others.
And understand that if someone else's sneeze seems, well, how can I say this, obnoxious?
Sneezing's a reflex, got to give people grace.
Okay, and of course, no matter what you sound like, make sure you cover your sneeze either into your elbow or use a tissue.